everyone. I am Babita from 10th standard. My school name is St. Andrews Convent School. हर चेहरे की मुस्कान होती है बेटियां, हर घर की रौनक होती है बेटियां, पायलों की झनकार होती है बेटियां, खुशियों की थाल होती है बेटियां, गुड़ पापड़ी सी मीठी होती है बेटियां, भाइयों की बहनें होती हैं बेटियां, बड़ों का अपमान होती है बेटियां, दिल का सुकून होती है बेटियां, माथे का ताज होती है बेटियां, हर त्योहार की रौनक होती है बेटियां, मठरी से नमकीन होती है बेटियां, माँ की बेस्ट फ्रेंड होती है बेटियां।
A very good day to all of you. Today, I am here to talk about daughters who are the most beautiful part of the family. They are the one who is always ready to help her parents. Daughters deserves quite more, but due to shortage of time, I could say just few words about them. First of all, Happy Daughters Day to all the daughters of the nation. This celebration is a time to think about you because I know you always spend thinking and worrying about other people's and their problems, but free yourself from all of those thoughts today and enjoy being celebrated because you deserve it. Thank you for all those times that you cared to do the little things for others that counts. Some of these times you were not even acknowledged or thanked. I know you have been kind even when the people don't deserve it. I know you have been hurt by attitudes and behaviors so much so that you probably felt or decided to start caring less and not being so kind, but you fail to realize that the world needs more of you because you are a symbol of peace. You bring warmth to the hearts even without uttering a word. So, thanks to all the daughters and the sisters of the nation. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Sharma from St. Andrews Convent School. Every year on the 4th Sunday of September, India celebrates Daughters Day. This year, the special day is being celebrated today, September 26. On this day, parents appreciate the existence of their gorgeous daughters who has filled their lives with love and compassion. They not just teach them patience but also how to love and care unconditionally. A daughter is the most beautiful blessing from God as blessing that happy brightness each and every day of our life. A daughter is the beautiful gift this world has to give. Thank you.
Morning to all, I am Radhika Sharma, standard in 9th from St. Andrews Convent School. In a bid to promote that equality, celebrated the presence of daughters. This day is celebrated by different countries and different day, but in India it is usually observed, which is on 26 September. Daughter Day is celebrated by the exclusively honor the girls in a family. Yes, the Father or Mother Day is celebrated by the importance of mothers and fathers. To be born as a girl in a unique blessings and itself for her, and hence gives reasons for the celebrate to hence we can say that females are own blessings. It is a universal fact that without girls it is impossible to carry forward the legacy of any family. It is impossible to think of a family without a woman. A daughter is one who light her own house and to new house as well as she is the base of of the family or act as a binding force. Thank you. Have a nice day. Happy Daughters Day to all.